Comic Con. Let's go to Comic Con with me. I was super excited because this is the first time it's happening in Kolkata near Salt Lake, and this will be my second Comic Con. I literally planned to go to Bangalore this time to attend, but I was fortunate enough that this Comic Con guys thought of doing the event in the city itself in Kolkata. So as usual, there was a lot of cosplays. It was fun. It is always fun, and there are so many activities, and we were also having fun. You see, then we went inside the venue. For the first time, it was pretty good. It was well organized. There was a booth for Final Destination and Superman where you can get free posters and pose with the photos. Then I was much more interested in checking out those comic books, and mostly because of the artifacts, the accessories as such. I also got those two small magnets, and these glow signs were like really great. Here comes Kratos, Baby Groot, and Iron Man, and cool water bottles. But this sign was also very, very interesting. This was my favorite booth of all because of the hand drawn caricature of my favorite films and artists and everything. And this trailer was so cool of Mickey 17. I actually saw the film also. It was pretty good for a one time watch. And that's all. I wrapped up my day, got these goodies for home, and thanks for watching.